Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can get back the missing camera app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write comments at the end of the video, and also subscribe to this channel. And let's get down to the topic. And if you can't find the camera app on the home screen of your iPhone, then the first method you can use is to swipe your iPhone screen from top to bottom so that you get a search page like this. And in the search box, you'll need to type in the word camera. And that's how you'll be able to find your camera. If you still can't find it that way, then there is another way to get it back on your home screen. To do this, you will need to go to your phone settings. Then select Screen Time. Scroll down a little bit and go to Content Restriction and Privacy. And here, select the app. And as you can see, in this section, the camera app is disabled, which means that the camera app will not be visible on your home screen. And in order to enable it, you'll just need to activate this button. Next, you will need to keep your phone password if you have it installed. After that, you can easily find the camera. To do that, you'll need to swipe your iPhone screen again, type in the word camera. And as you can see, this application appears on the screen. Friends, this is the way you can find the camera app, or you can get it back on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes, and don't forget to write your comments. See you soon.